Hi, it's Celeste, your canary in the coal mine. So today I wanted to talk about the Indians of southern New Mexico and Arizona and the same Indians further south into Mexico. So the northern part of Mexico is this like big desert and it's very hard to get across. But today there are a group of Indians, Pima Indians, that live both on the north side of that desert in southern Arizona and New Mexico, and on the south side of the desert down in Mexico. And the ones down in Mexico continue to eat kind of a traditional diet of corn and squash and beans. And the ones up in New Mexico and Arizona have largely switched over to adding a lot more of the fast foods to their diets. When I lived in New Mexico, there was a Wendy's restaurant right across the street from the Indians boarding school. So there was lots of people who'd come across the street and eat at Wendy's. Well, the fact is these people are genetically identical to each other. They are the same genetic tribe of people that have been split by a desert that's hard to get across. And so the people in the United States who are eating a Western diet have a phenomenal rate of diabetes. They have like, I think 50% or more of their people are diabetic. They tend to be very grossly overweight. They are struggling with all the side effects of the diabetes. I don't know if they have more heart disease or whatever, but the diabetes is a really big issue with those people. And the ones down in New Mexico, or down in Mexico proper, they're fine. They don't have those high rates of diabetes. They're slim. They're still living a traditional lifestyle of farming and so forth. So that just shows you the effect of diet on your genes, on the manifestation of your genes. They're the same people, differ only in diet and differ in the degree of disease that they're experiencing. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, that there are ways to combat your genetics and live a healthier life than maybe your genetics would have predicted. I'm certainly an example of that. I have some pretty bad genes for almost everything you can think of, and I have relatives who have died from it or have had the chronic conditions their whole life, some really serious conditions, and I'm not manifesting those same things in as extreme of a degree. I may be manifesting them at a lesser degree, but through controlling my diet and my lifestyle, I'm keeping it at moderation. So that's what I wanted to share with you today about the Indians of southern Arizona and southern New Mexico and their other family members down further in Mexico. So I hope this is a helpful piece of information that you can think about and use in your life to get well and stay well. Thanks.